channel. Now this requires a Google account, and I recommend making a new Google account for each new YouTube channel that you create, because then if anything happens to a single channel of yours, your other channels will not be affected. So to create a new account, you just click sign in on the top right of YouTube right here, and then you'll be prompted to sign into your Gmail if you already have one, but if you need to create a new one, you can just click create account right there. And then you can just fill everything in here out. You can just put in your first and last name, and then you can either put in an email address that you already have, or you can click create a new Gmail instead, because then you can just put in anything and this will be a new email that you create, because you have to create a new Google account, which also comes with a new Gmail. So then you just create a password and then click next. It's pretty self-explanatory. That's how you create a Google account. Okay guys, now that we're logged into our Google account here, we're gonna now create a new YouTube channel. So you'll probably be prompted to create a new YouTube channel by default once you make a Google account. Let's say you already have a YouTube channel and you want to make another YouTube channel on the same Google account. Now again, I recommend creating another Google account before you make another YouTube channel. Make a new Google account for each new YouTube channel you make, because then it's just not putting all your eggs in one basket. But to create a new YouTube channel manually, all you have to do is first off, click on your profile picture on the top right hand side of YouTube, and then click settings. And then once you're in settings, you'll see a button right down here that says see all my channels or create a new channel, and you'll want to click that. And then this will display all your current YouTube channels, and if you want to create a new channel, you just click this button right on the top. And then this will create a new brand account and therefore a new YouTube channel. So then you can come up with a name for your channel. And there we go. I just created a new YouTube channel. As you can see, it is up and ready. In the next lesson, we're going to go over how to customize and optimize your YouTube channel.